Imagine being deep in the woods and your only light eyes. What now? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook that can save your night. Welcome to the channel where we guide your smart gear picks. Grab yours through the links below and light up wisely. The number 5 product on our list is Wsky Solar Camping Lantern. Ever thought a lantern could charge your phone, survive a storm, and still light up your whole tent? The Wsky Solar Camping Lantern does exactly that, and more. Ranked in the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook, it solves the one problem every camper dreads, running out of light at the worst time. With solar, USB, and AA battery options, you're never left in the dark. The 100 lumen output is shockingly bright, casting a full circle glow that lasts over 12 hours. Built tough with a crash-proof water-resistant body, it's made for real-world adventure. Its collapsible design and magnetic base make it a dream for backpackers who value space and simplicity. While it's not meant for massive areas, for tents, cabins, or emergencies, it delivers safety and peace of mind. If you need a smart, sturdy, and reliable light source outdoors, this one truly earns its spot. Number 4 is DIBMS 4-pack Solar Camping Lantern. What if one small lantern could light your entire campsite, charge your phone, and come in a set of 4? The DIBMS 4-pack Solar Camping Lantern easily earns its spot in the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook by turning simplicity into smart survival. Each unit offers 300 lumens of 360-degree glow and doubles as a flashlight with a quick pull-up motion. The dual charging, USB and solar engine ensures you're never left in the dark, even in remote spots. Its compact collapsible design fits perfectly in any emergency kit, while the IPX4 waterproof rating gives peace of mind during unpredictable weather. Though the solar charge is slower, having 4 lanterns adds flexibility across your tent, car, and campfire zone. If you're prepping for blackouts, planning a group trip, or simply value smart lighting that works, this bundle delivers reliability, comfort, and real peace of mind every night outdoors. The third one on our list is Xynover Solar Camping Lantern. Ever imagined a solar lantern that not only lights up your tent, but can also save your dying phone in the wild? The Xynover Solar Camping Lantern earns its place in the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook by delivering exactly that kind of peace of mind. Its triple charging options, solar, USB, and AA, eliminate the fear of running out of light when it matters most. The 100 lumen brightness combined with 360-degree coverage fills any campsite or emergency shelter with warm, reliable light for over 12 hours. Built for military-grade ABS, it's rugged enough to handle storms, drops, and dusty trails. While it's not the brightest on the list, its reliability and versatility make it ideal for casual campers, emergency kits, or car survival gear. If you value compact design, hands-free use, and backup power in one tool, this is a smart and reassuring choice for any outdoor situation. Number 2 is Mesqool Solar Camping Lantern. What if your emergency light could charge your phone, crank its own power, and last all night? The Mesqool Solar Camping Lantern isn't just bright, it's brilliantly versatile. As one of the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook, it tackles real-world camping and blackout challenges head-on. With a 200-lumen lantern and a 350-lumen flashlight built into one compact design, it provides layered lighting for tents, paths, or rooms. The built-in 3000 mAh battery charges by USB, solar, or even a hand crank, yes, crank, for true off-grid reliability. It's a huge relief knowing your light and phone can stay alive in a storm or a remote hike. While the plastic body feels lightweight, it holds up well in harsh weather. Perfect for campers, preppers, or families who want peace of mind without packing heavy. This lantern isn't just tested, it's trusted, portable, and truly built for survival. Smart choice, real value. Now moving to the last one is XTAUTO Solar Camping Lantern. Can something this small really light up your entire campsite and charge your phone too? The XTAUTO Solar Camping Lantern says yes and proves it. Ranked among the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook, it solves 2 major outdoor worries: weak lighting and dead devices. With 360-degree coverage powered by high-intensity LEDs, this lantern delivers a wide, even glow that feels surprisingly strong for its size. It doubles as a flashlight, adjusts with a simple pull, and collapses to fit in your palm, perfect for backpacks or glove compartments. The built-in rechargeable battery charges via solar or USB and even powers your phone in a pinch. It's water-resistant, lightweight, and easy enough for kids to use, making it ideal for families or solo campers. While it's not meant for extended blackouts, it offers dependable brightness and smart utility. For lightweight adventure lighting, this one's a practical, feel-good pick. XTAUTO Solar Camping Lantern wins for its compact design, strong brightness, and dual charging, making it the smartest choice for every camper. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 rechargeable solar lantern with hook. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.